Too many of our leaders unrealistically think humankind stands above and independent of the rest of the natural world. This misguided notion holds that humankind can always rise above the forces of nature through our rationalities and use of technology. This is wrong. Many Native peoples continue to find their identities, their cultures, and in the broadest sense, the most important life lessons in the landscapes and seascapes that they call home. That nature and culture cannot be divorced. That biological diversity and cultural diversity are inextricably connected. Traditions now threaten throughout the Americas and around the world as a result of what might honestly be called global burning. And many of our elders remind us that if we see the natural world as full of relatives, not resources, good things will happen. Will we protect our homes and homelands? Why not through indigenous life-enhancing systems of knowledge promoting homeland maturity? Human knowledge, human maturity that shows we respect our Mother Earth.